All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Sonny from Arkansas Extreme Outdoors. I've seen this a few times on the TikTok channels or whatever, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to cook some fish lobster, okay? And what I got right here, I got a big old thing of largemouth bass. All right, they was kind of big ones, you know, close to 3 pounds or over on every one of them. Barely keepers, almost overbackers. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go along with me. I'm gonna boil some water with a cup of sugar in it and get it boiling. And I'm gonna throw these in there, and supposedly about 5 minutes or so, they float to the top. And they're done with no seasoning, anything else but sugar in the water, and I'm probably gonna put a little salt in it. Okay, I'm back. Well, some people make garlic butter and dip their lobster in it, or their crab legs, or whatever they're gonna do. But what I've done, look at that, I blocked them lights. That's pretty cool. I just got a little like a salsa bowl, and I put a half stick of butter in it because that's what I want to do. I'm just gonna melt it in the microwave. I'm not gonna put no garlic in this. We're gonna try that. All right, that's the next step. Here's my boiling water, okay? What I'm fixing to do is I'm gonna put a cup of sugar in it. That's actually some bratwurst pasta that I made with marinara sauce and bow tie noodles and a little cheese. And that's cabbage and onions. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna get us some sugar. We're gonna get it over here. It's hard to do. All right, this is half a cup. All right, that's half a cup. Pour it in there. I'm gonna move fast and on close. No, it ain't about a quarter cup, so we're gonna get about 1/8 cup. All right, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna put the sugar back over here. I'm about to run out. I'm gonna buy some more for my sweet tea. And what it says is, we're just gonna stir this on up. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start taking the largemouth bass and throwing them in. Okay, and they're pretty big ones. They got a little red in them. All right, we ain't gonna get them too crowded. And they've done this before. Clock says 6:09, so we should have, I don't know, 5 minutes. Can y'all add that up? I can. It's not math class. All right, we're gonna take them out by 6:14. Well, this stuff's almost ready, and I think what they call this is a redneck lobster with some kind of a white, you know, fish. I guess you could do ocean fish. I really don't know. Ocean fish kind of tastes fishy. Oh. These are the ones that have been soaking in the sugar water. It's still black bass. And we're gonna put them on that plate. And that's the sugar water left over. I don't know what you do with that. I guess you dump it in the yard. But that's what it looks like. All right. We gonna take it over to the table. And one thing that I like things a little bit spicy. Okay. I ain't got it on my tripod, I got it in my hand. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take a little of this cayenne pepper. And where's that? Where's the lid to it? Alright, I got her open. Alright, we're gonna drizzle that in there. Ooh, put a lot of it in there, like it hot. Alright, we're gonna stir it up. Stir it up like that. We're gonna see if this is any better since I let it soak. But I know it's gonna be better because it's gonna be a little spicy. Alright. We're gonna cut 1 and 2. Alright, we're gonna put it in there. Alright, here we go. We're gonna try it, see if it's any better. And the first batch pretty good. I couldn't quit eating it. That fan is flying because I caught the kitchen on fire. I know I smack, but that, you know, if you smack, it makes it taste better. I promise you. I know it's kind of rude, you know, but it's by itself, it ain't. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And can you see that? I ain't much of a cameraman, but I'm trying. I heard my last one. Yeah. That's a little bit better for that soak. So guys, y'all go ahead and try this. Look like a helicopter back there, don't it? I wish I had a helicopter. I could get where I was going faster. Whew, see them deer from up in the sky. But y'all go ahead and try it. It's great. I know it's healthier other than the butter, than frying it in grease and stuff like that, but you know, they say butter is good for you. All right, guys. Comment back on it. Tell me what you think about it. I hope you're having a great afternoon, because I'm getting my belly full.